if a document is registered, you will have to see that civil court has got a jurisdiction. And once a document is registered, my lords, parties have no jurisdiction, register has no jurisdiction. The aggrieved party has got remedy only before the civil court. And the limitation for setting aside based on the fraud, my lord, the maximum is fraud is 1 year. Otherwise, residuary clause is 3 years. My lord, this is the sum and substance of this case. 2012 January notification published in the Gazette, my lord, in February, followed by the relinquishment deed, my lord, in 3rd of April 2012. Now, my lord, now can there be any oral evidence to show when I acquire your property for formation of a road, I will give you the TDR rights. Can there be any oral evidence could be as against this registered document, as against the statutory notification? My lord, this is a
That is all the issue.
That's all, my lords. I shall give. In fact, the 2012 full bench judgment of the Madras High Court, my lord, has considered what is the effect of a registered document. Para 59, my lord, has laid down all the guidelines following 2007 Andhra Pradesh full bench and 2010 Kerala. That's the position, my lord. I shall give.
Madras, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh.
Yes.
Karnataka?
Karnataka, my lord, Justice
Justice Kumar Dev.
Justice Kumar. There are two
South
judgments.
India cover ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
Alala. No, the question is, once a document is
That
registered,
I got, sir.
no, under the Registration Act, what is its presumption? Under section 17 of the Act, read with section 47 of the Registration Act. The parties have no power to recall it.
Yes,
Registrar has no power to recall it.
that's too rudimentary, sir. Definitely, yes.
That's the position, my lords.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
They will have to comply the TDR rights, my lord. That's the position.
Yes, sir.
And this is a case, my lord, where the compensation in addition to the TDR rights has to be granted because now it is, we are in 2026. 2012 means, my lord, 14 years have lapsed, rolled off.
Lord, kindly see the reliefs what they have asked for, page 12. To declare the notification dated so and so issued by the BBMP. Lord, under 14B has lapsed due to non-implementation and the failure on the part of first respondent to issue valid DRCs in respect to the property of the petitioner so acquired. Then consequently to declare that the petitioners are entitled to receive compensation in respect of the scheduled property by applying so and so act, or in the alternative to issue DRCs. My lord, the first prayer what they are asking for and the nature of relief, nature of defense what I have taken up before your lordships. Lord, that lapses for the reason that, Lord, is a case of fraud what has been alleged. And Lord,
Now,
2012,
Is it not a registered document?
it's a registered document.
Registered, the
Yes.
participants were officers of the BBMP as well.
Yes.
Then where is the question of
That is
fraud?
where, my lord, that is where, Lord, in connivance, may I make this few submissions,
What have you done to those officers?
actions have been
What
initiated.
action?
My lord, they were kept under suspension.
Why not a criminal case? Why you did not?
My lord, that has not been taken.
Why?
He was initiated against them and that is still pending consideration before, at the government level. This is one
Allah,
aspect
for
of the matter.
namesake.
May I make this?
Namesake D.
I will not say anything in that regard, my lord.
ಈ compensation ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you are alleging fraud. What is
No,
this?
no, it is not like that.
Why did you take the relinquishment?
2000
Why did you get the relinquishment
Lord, that
deeds?
is where, my lord,
Registered relinquishment deeds, sir.
Kindly appreciate this, my lord. What was the original owner doing from 2012 up till now? After the death of my lord, I would
I'll
like
tell
to
you one
place
thing,
this.
sir.
2000,
If you have taken land of someone, particularly,
Not taken.
particularly after relinquishment deed being executed and utilize that land,
no.
even
that is
if
what
it,
I am
even if it is 50 years, I will entertain the
No, that is fine, my lord. I am not coming in that way. My lord, what I say is this land is not taken by us. This land, my lord, is not utilized for the purposes of formation of the road. That is
Why
what is
why-
the
why did you
statement which
take
has been.
relinquishment deed ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
That is the unfortunate scenario, my lord.
Unfortunate.
No,
Why
no,
did you
what-
take-
I'll-
If
my lord, few
BBMP is
dates-
not going to utilize an inch of
Kindly-
land of a private citizen, why did you ask him to
I
relinquish it?
appreciate this.
Relinquishment by way of a registered
lord.
relinquishment deed. What were the, commissioner has signed it ಅಲ್ಲ?
Illa.
ಯಾರು
That is
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
that is the one, my lord.
ಯಾರು
It is
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Additional Commissioner R.R. Nagara zone.
Ah.
Additional Commissioner R.R. Nagara zone
Ah.
is involved in this particular, was involved at that point of
Oh, he
time.
is retired now, is it?
He is not retired. He was relieved from services.
All right. When
All
are,
these actions
when
have
are you
been-
initiating criminal case against him?
My lord, that is
ಯಾವಾಗ?
what
When?
we have taken a decision, my
Taken
lord,
a
to take
decision
all
ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ,
the.
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ
Kindly-
ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, compensation
But
ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಏನು
who
ಇಲ್ಲ,
are,
ತಗೊಂಡೆ-
who are the signatories to this document?
Yes,
Whoever has taken a decision, crime should be registered against
We
them
will do
because
that.
you can't allege fraud to one party and the other
I
signatory
am not alleging.
keep quiet.
My lord,
Then-
may I make this submission?
Yes, sir.
Few dates I would like to place it on record.
Sir.
My lord, what happens here is, original owner, that is the husband of the first petitioner. and
Husband
father-
ತಾನೆ?
Husband of first
ಸರಿ.
petitioner, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು.
He kept quiet, he did not do anything.
All
Kindly see this. Reason is, my lord, he was aware of the fraud what had happened at that point of time.
Oh, seriously, we can't ask now.
My lord,
Yes.
now,
Hmm.
my lord, I can only say this.
Hmm.
2012, my lord, from 2012, 14/3/2012, a report was submitted by the surveyor. deed
What
and
is the
surveyor,
date of the relinquishment deed?
3/4/2012. My lord, 14/3/2012, a report is submitted by the surveyor estates, my lord, to me, surveying the entire land. Now kindly, thereafterwards, it was approved on 17, that is 3 days
I will
later.
direct criminal case to be registered against all officers.
We have already taken a
You
decision to
don't
that
take a
now.
you don't take a decision. I will direct to be registered.
Please, my lord. That is,
All of them who have indulged in signature of this
and in
relinquishment
fact,
deed.
Commissioner, the then Commissioner, my lord, in the year 2012 itself, a direction was given to initiate appropriate action against all.
What have you
My
done?
lord, that is what, lord, a DE
ಅಲ್ಲ,
has been.
14 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
DE has been
14
initiated.
ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಡಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
ಅದು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
pending
ನೇಮ್
ಇದೆ,
ಸೇಕ್.
ಹಂಗೆ pending ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ,
ನೇಮ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಸೇಕ್
ನಾನು-
ಸರ್. ನೇಮ್
In
ಸೇಕ್.
fact, my lord, what has happened?
No, I will direct criminal case to be initiated.
They have destroyed even the master files also.
No
This is what
problem,
has
sir.
happened, my
ಎಲ್ಲರ
lord.
ಮೇಲೆ all these BBMP officials should be brought to books.
Please,
So you initiate
That's
criminal
no
proceeding.
problem for me.
Commissioner,
Remember,
additional
action has already
commissioner,
been
whoever
taken.
it is.
action has already been taken.
No,
my lord.
no action taken. 14 years they are sleeping over the matter.
Lord, what has happened
Nothing,
is,
no action.
kindly appreciate certain dates, my lord.
You can't
Lord,
take away, you
absolutely.
can't take away citizens' land and say tomorrow,
not taken-
after 14 years, it is fraud. So we can't do anything.
May I
ನಿಮ್
make this
officers ಏನ್
submission?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು?
May I make this submission?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, my lord, there is no taking of land of the petitioners herein. That is what is the statement which has been made before your lordships now.
When?
State, it has been made by me
When?
now. ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ the road continues to be 40 feet road only. What was intended to be formed is 50 feet road.
No,
That is where, my lord,
No
Google
problem.
Earth.
So get ready. Officers ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ, names ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ all the names you give,
It is
whoever
available,
has
it is already
handled this
placed on
file,
record. It is already
whoever
placed
has
on record.
handled this file, I will direct criminal cases to be registered against them immediately. Yes.
Allah, that action, now,
Allah,
my lord, the
you
present
can't take
commissioner,
14 years for
present
D.
commissioner, my lord, has.
No
Lord,
problem,
ಈಗ
sir.
now-
Present, past, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ
well.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್. Yes. ಇವ್ರ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes. Straight
I know.
419,
But,
420.
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು.
My lord, the
Submit ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು.
recently, 2026, the apex court said, if you acquire a land of somebody after 25, 35 year, the language used by the apex court is, you sing a song and acquire a property and
Lord,
ultimately
let them
say,
place some material on record to show that, apart from the RD,
I-
my lord,
I-
this RD is under, my lord,
Lord, I'm
RD,
sorry,
that
I
is the
won't
relinquishment deed
place any
is under
material.
cloud. Lord, apart
But
from that, let them
statutory-
place some material on record to show that, my lord, we have acquired and formed the layout, formed the roads. Kindly see that, my lord, that is where, my lord, a report is filed before your lordships as annexure R1 and R2 to
ಈಗ
say that,
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಟಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್?
Lord, road itself is not,
ಒಂದೂವರೆ ಎಕರೆ.
land itself is not acquired by us. That's a matter, my lord, which requires to be considered by your lordship. That is the statement which I have made before your lordships, along with
No
documentary proof.
problem, sir. No. Will answer.
Insofar as, my lord,
Will answer. Let them face the music. Because you have
In-
you have sung a song
Yes,
without music. Now you will face it.
Right.
Yes.
That is not, I have already told them, my lord, now the present commissioner, my lord, has already, my lord, given directions to take appropriate actions immediately.
14 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಈಗ knowledge ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇದ್
BBMP
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
I do understand that, my lord. I will not say more than this. Now, as of now, my lord, based on the records, what has been available now, my lord, which has been rebuilt, my lord, we have taken, we have initiated appropriate actions. Insofar as my lord, land acquisition of land is
You
concerned,
will initiate extremely appropriate action.
yes.
Yes.
ಅದನ್ನು
There are
ಹೇಳಾಗಿದೆ.
two
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I can
issues.
place the note sheet before your lordship.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, 14 ವರ್ಷ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, one is statutory notification.
These were not
That
parts of
section
the road at all.
14B.
That notification, it was, these.
The other one is registered document. Can there be a oral affidavits or arguments by my learned friend Millers against his own notification?
We'll answer it. Heard reserved. Yes. Get ready. Your officers.
Fine, my lord, I want to make my submissions insofar as these documents, at least what I have placed on record, my lord.
Fraud ತಾನೆ.
I should show to your lordships that this is what
problem.
has happened. Lord, I have placed all these materials on record.
If there's any clarification, I'll post it for further hearing. Yes.
Not supposed
But
to
your
bring it to
officers
us.
will face.
Fine, my lord. I will not come in the way, my lord, of your lordships giving such directions. But nevertheless, my lord, insofar as acquisition is concerned, the acquisition, my lord, is not happened, has not happened at all. That is what
It's
is
a
the
register,
document.
it's a registered.
Registered document, that's a fraud, my lord. That is where
Registered
we are
document
saying
no
that.
fraud ಅಂತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು.
No, no, it's a fraud, my lord, what has happened.
Fraud
That is
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
what we
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
want to place it
ಒಂದ್
on
ನಿಮಿಷ.
record.
Have you, for the last so many years, if you say it is a fraud, have you filed any suit for cancellation of the document on the ground of fraud?
My lord, we
Have you done that?
No, we have not done that.
Then
My lord,
ಎಲ್ಲ
I have
ಗಾಡಿ
placed, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. We have, my lord, placed
ಗಾಳಿ ಮಾತು
all
ತುಂಬಾ
the note
ಹಳೇದಾಯ್ತು.
sheets and, my lord, all the note sheets before your lordships to come to a just conclusion that the.
Have you taken steps to get the registration cancelled in a manner known
No.
to law? As simple as
That
that.
has not been taken.
So
What action
that
we have
document,
taken, my
that
lord?
document is still valid?
My lord, what action,
The document is still valid?
as on today,
Unless
it is
it is
standing.
annulled in accordance with law, it is still valid?
Yes.
On a valid document, how are you now saying that, no, I will not pay, it's a fraud? You should have taken steps for it to be a fraud. You have not done
But
anything.
some.
Neither you have
Lord,
initiated proceedings,
not that-
neither you have initiated criminal cases against the officers, nor you have taken steps to get the relinquishment deed cancelled.
My lord, what has
Right?
happened is.
Notification ಏನ್ issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಆಮೇಲೆ relinquish ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
Relinquishment ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. There is no relief.
No notification is issued?
notification. Relinquishment is based on the 14B notification.
Ah, yes, fine.
That's the position. Once a relinquishment deed, my lord.
No, that's a registered document.
Yes.
Relinquishment deed is a registered
In
document.
fact,
Absolutely. no.
2019.
ಯಾರು additional commissioner?
Additional Commissioner R.R. Nagara Zone, then AEE, and then the surveyor. The entire thing started from surveyor.
All right. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
Surveyor, he was a retired person who was taken on contract basis.
no problems.
No, no,
Whatever,
Now
whoever it
his services was
Commissioner-
dismissed at that point of time.
Additional
Insofar as,
commissioner.
one second.
is. Oh, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Insofar as, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು,
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ
senior
sir.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು.
Allala, additional commissioner representing the commissioner.
It is
Appeared
fine,
before
but
the
what to do
registrar.
here, situation is
Even
something
the
like this.
commissioner will be held responsible.
My lord, Commissioner, my lord, has already taken action at that point of time
No
itself.
problem.
There is a note
Even
sheet which I have
even
placed
the
on record.
commissioner will be held responsible, I tell you.
No, Adrali, Commissioner, my lord, it was once it was brought to the notice of
No
Commissioner, at
problem,
that
sir.
point of time, it was, my lord, necessary actions
The
were taken.
commissioner, the additional commissioner, the executive engineer, assistant executive engineer, and the surveyor, whoever was there at that point,
May
I will
make
direct
this-
registration of a criminal case.
May I make this submission,
Yes,
my lord?
heard
At
reserved.
that time, at that point of time, my lord, it was all zone-wise actions were being
Yeah,
taken.
what- I
No,
am not-
zone-wise
Court
actions
is
were
not
being.
concerned about all that, sir.
No,
You
may I-
are saying it is fraud, so stick to that.
My lord, that is there. My lord,
Stick to that, sir.
yes, my lord, at that, whatever documents, my lord, what I have placed, my lord, emanates from 2012 itself. That is where, my lord, the proceedings have already commenced
No
at that
problems.
point of time.
No,
Lord,
sir,
action to the extent
Answer,
of.
answer everything on a FIR being registered. No problem. Because if I direct, it can't be said that we won't register. Yes. Commissioner, additional
Relinquishment in
commissioner,
favor of
everybody.
My
commissioner.
lord, Commissioner, my lord,
Commissioner
insofar as
also,
Commissioner
sir.
at that of time
At
has said
point
that.
of time, whoever it is.
34 he has given a direction because, my lord, based on the suspicion which was, my lord, the entire transaction, based on the suspicion, my lord,
Whatever it
he has
is.
already initiated action to that effect.
We'll pass
At that
order.
time.
We'll pass that order. Yes. Yes, heard reserved. Next. PP,
Those judgments I'll pass on.
yes sir, ಕೊಡಿ. ಸತ್ಯಾನಂದ್ ನೀವು ಏನಾರು ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಬೇಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ತಾವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು?
ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು.
ನೀವೇ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಒಂದೇ
ಎರಡು ಕೈಯೂ
fraud.
ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಫ್ರಾಡ್
ಬಿಡಿ, ಇನಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೌ, my lord, decision is already taken.
Two things you had to do.
Please.
One, register a criminal case against all those.
Yes.
And seek cancellation of that document. Both you have not done.
At that time, my lord, it has not been done. That is
At
unfortunate
that time
scenario.
is 2012.
Yes, my
We are
lord.
in 2026.
Now, may I make this submission, my lord? 2012, 34/2012 note sheet is produced before your lordships. In fact, Commissioner, my lord, gives a direction to the officers, my lord, to take action, including cancellation of the relinquishment date.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, that has not been done. That is what I am
14 years,
saying.
why have you kept
That is
quiet?
exactly what has happened, my lord, and these persons did not come forward. That is a complaint.
ಅವ್ರು
at that
ಯಾಕೆ?
point.
ನೀವು
ಅವ್ರು
cancellation
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡಿ
ನನಗೆ.
sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ನೀವೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
notice ಏನ್
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
these people did not
But
come forward
note
ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
sheet, my lord, says to take action.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ at the minimum ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
notice.
Yes. All right.
File is.
He was aware of the entire situation.
Who, sir?
Complaint at that, that is the
Alright.
petitioner's,
No
because he was the one who was behind all these things.
No
Every second day, my lord, the file has moved.
No problem.
Every second day, my
For
lord, file
14
has
years,
moved.
things have been quiet. Now it will get activated. Yes.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು ನಂದು.